Becca, thank you. Weather First meteorologist Grayson Freund joins us now with the good news after a bit of a bumpy night, at least for the southern half of the viewing area.
Yeah, definitely. We had multiple warnings last night, severe thunderstorms, tornadoes, hail reports, damage reports, but luckily nothing too bad. And after all of that activity moved out last night into this morning, it left behind a few stray showers. I know it was sprinkling at the Linn County Fair earlier this morning, and we had cloudy skies to start the day, but now all of that activity is pretty much gone, and it's turning out to be a nice day. We are going to have temperatures in the low to mid 80s today, currently at 84 degrees in Cedar Rapids. And another thing today is we have winds shifting out of the north, and what this means is it's filtering in that cooler air, and in turn the humidity is going to be a little bit lower today, especially compared to the last few days where it's just been miserable out. And we'll still have those higher temperatures today in the mid to low 80s, but dew points today as well as tomorrow are going to be low in the 50s and 60s, so it's going to feel a lot more comfortable and a little bit more bearable outside. But as we have some rain on the way on Friday, the dew points shoot right back up into the 60s, and we are right back to that sticky and gross feeling weather. And here's another look at today. Again, we'll have the sun throughout the afternoon today. Temperatures sticking in the 80s. And as we go into the night tonight under clear skies, temperatures will drop down into the 60s. So it'll be a pretty good night to maybe turn off your air conditioners and crack the windows instead. Get a little bit of a breeze going in your house. And again, tomorrow is going to be a similar day to today. Will be a little bit, just a few degrees cooler. But again, the humidity will be low. We'll start the day with some sunshine, and by the afternoon some clouds will kind of start to filter in. And as we go into the overnight hours, some of our northern counties may see some light rain going on after midnight. And then as our next system arrives into early Friday morning, we have a warm front that's going to be pushing through and tracking through the state. And when it gets to eastern Iowa, we're going to have a first round of rain and storms in the morning. And this isn't appearing to be any severe weather, but as the next front pushes through in the afternoon into the evening, we may have some redevelopment, and this is where the severe threat is going to be. Now, as of right now, we do have a level 2 out of 5 throughout most of the area for Friday evening. And what we'll be watching for here if storms are to be severe is gusty winds, hail, and heavy rainfall, continuing the ongoing flooding that we've been seeing here recently. And tornadoes may be possible as well, but there is still some uncertainty with this. We are a few days out, so we'll have some more confidence in later forecasts, so make sure to stick with us. So again, we'll have the dry conditions today as well as tomorrow, and as our next system arrives into Friday, we'll have several rounds of widespread rain, and temperatures throughout the end of the week are going to be a little bit cooler in the high 70s and low 80s. But as we enter into the weekend, we do have a little bit of sunshine to look forward to.